Дамы и господа, стрим халанна, но он не тоже запускается, когда магабат. Вот я пока сижу и жду. Вот, не обращайте внимания. Да, я кровато Noire. Да, я хочу игру начать сначала, так как я начал эту игру начинал, даже не помню, 2 года назад, что ли, 3 года. Ну, где-то так. Это было давно и неправда игру. Ковид 5 лет назад даже, где-то так ведь. Ага. Еще один такой нюанс у меня есть. У меня соседи сверху заебали, я просто вызвал полицию, жду. Играю детектива, жду полицию. Если я немножко исчезну на пару минут, то, пожалуйста, меня не теряйте. В смысле? О, плохо было. О, бля.
Твои пожелания, да? Твои пожелания. Покажу потом. На это, гражданке. Как километров там смотри, да? Сколько километров? 4, нет?
Бля, у Вайнтер все ты волк, ты ебаный в рот. Когда хнер. А, бля, это на просто... Сука, я же не... А, это ладно, я тогда отменяю. Это команда Rockstar Games, Кирен реально... Каяк надо, стоп надо. А там хрен время банка. Выбери звено, которое расположено правильно. Выбери звено, которое расположено правильно.
покажу потом. На это, гражданке. Нас туда. 4, наверное. Бля, бы тачка была обратно, повар тачка. Потом обратно. Хорошая жизнь впереди.
Если чапа хомон полохана не обращай внимания, bu обоим херига ранен болбут. Сайпа выполнено. Эсюдда выполнено. Электронная почта не была найдена или был введен неверный пароль. Годник нам что ли, бля. Человек туматы то просто. Пойди. Проверочный код. Жара. Интересно, что будет идти. Рахстаркен галла. Жара кирен рам балаханьо. Блять, ходить крайне была бы. Заебал кейда, бля. Спекарен романне бигера абда бля. Ты нахуй еще бинем, бля. Блин, когда ваша атом группа не говорила робот, бля. Хата иши карта. Хата обут иши бит. Jangan kau ane kutama больше begini. Опс. Bakal применить. Сильно ранен 9 состояние. Дамы и господа, простите, пожалуйста, то, что я так потерялся. Это у меня старший брат ранен на войне. Вот, об этом только что поговорили. Я сам не знал, вот только что сообщили. Оказывается, он в госпитале лежит. Фу, бля. Да ладно, простите, больше такого не повторится. Так, кстати, раз, два. Работает. Это, бля, всегда путаю, всегда. Нет, нет. Окей. Да. Так. Пару минут, секунд. Так, я отключаюсь. Жесткий не отключаюсь, я просто я брату позвоню. Поговорить надо. Спасибо, что подождали. Я полицию вызвал, да ладно. Когда Тарбаглах.
A city on the verge of greatness. A new type of city, based not on the man, but on the automobile. The car. A symbol of freedom and vitality.
Noire.
Where every man can own his own home, and have room to breathe, and not be overlooked by his neighbors. A city where a man's home is his castle. A quarter acre of the dream made possible by victory. A city of opportunists. A city of dreams, where Hollywood will shape the thoughts and desires of the entire planet. A city of pioneers. A city of dreamers. A city of undercurrents, where not everything is as it seems. A 20th century city that will become a model for the world. A city that has no boundaries, that will stretch as far as the eye can see. In the Marine Corps, you deal with the chain of command. Mistakes get made, but you deal with them. You know what you're fighting for, and that you're on the same team. But dealing with corruption is like chasing shadows. You never know whether the guy you're talking to is on the pad, or whether it's your partner, or maybe even the watch commander. So who do you trust, Cole? I made up my mind a long time ago.
KGBL calling caller 14 Adam. 14 Adam, come in.
Go ahead, KGPL.
14 Adam, see the detective, an ambulance shooting at 6th and Industrial Street. Get a 16. William requests uniform assistance for an evidence search. 14.
Roger. Here we go again. They don't request uniforms for an evidence search unless there's some kind of catch. Ever the optimist. From the beam of sunshine himself.
Так, немножко паузы. Голливуд, какой штат? Голливуд, какой штат? Калифорния. Заебал мне телефон. Тут да. Это, блин, я плохо не понял. Заебал, бля. Вот такой дрих одна вартяню. Да, блядь, где он запущен, сука? Покажи, тварь. Покажи.
Bu бар. Аллай, Noire где?
Заебал, бля. Хрести, бля, а там бля хабаску духовную, бля. Чё за хуйня, блядь, у вас, бля? Ой, блядь, хатны запускает, да, тоқты болон суға.
A city on the verge of greatness. A new type of city, based not on the man, but on the automobile, the car. A symbol of freedom and vitality. Where every man can own his own home, and have room to breathe, and not be overlooked by his neighbors. A city where a man's home is his castle, a quarter acre of the dream made possible by victory. A city of opportunists. A city of dreams, where Hollywood will shape the thoughts and desires of the entire planet. A city of pioneers. A city of dreamers.
Ой, да, сразу
A city of undercurrents, where not everything is as it seems. A 20th century city that will become a model for the world. A city that has no boundaries, that will stretch as far as the eye can see. In the Marine Corps, you deal with the chain of command. Mistakes Get made, but you deal with them. You know what you're fighting for, that you're on the same team. But dealing with corruption is like chasing shadows. You never know whether the guy you're talking to is on the pad, or whether it's your partner, or maybe even the watch commander. So who do you trust, Cole? I made up my mind a long time ago.
KGBL calling car 14 Adam. 14 Adam, come in.
Go ahead, KGPL.
14 Adam, see the detective in ambulance shooting at 6th and Industrial Street. Unit 16 William requests uniform assistance for an evidence search. 14 Adam, code 2.
Roger, 14 Adam en route. Here we go again. They don't request uniforms for an evidence search unless there's some kind of catch. Ever the optimist, from the beam of sunshine himself.
Floyd Rose, homicide. You might back up?
Yes, sir. Phelps and Dunn, Wilshire Division.
We had a shooting took place down this alleyway. We have the Vic, Scooter Payton, a Negro male bagged up and on his way to Central Morgue. Witness says a tall white guy, our shooter, put 2 in the Vic's head and then threw his piece. I need you guys to try and recover the gat.
You want us to look anywhere in particular?
Give it your best shot, guys. The dead guy's a lowlife. I'm not expecting any miracles here.
And if we recover the weapon?
Bag it and return it to technical services.
You hurry it up, Floyd. We
I'm
got
outta
places
here.
to be.
Happy hunting.
This is a fist hump. Just going through the motions.
You're probably right. Let's just get it over and done.
All right, have it your way. We'll search right up to the back wall. If you still don't come up with anything, come find me and we'll talk it out. 2 heads are always better than 1. Look at this junk. It's not my job to pick through other people's trash. What have you got, Phelps? Anything?
Doesn't look like anything.
Jesus. Cole, come take a look at this. I tell you, I'm jinxed. I always get landed with this crap. We're never going to find it. It's a waste of time.
Shooter put him up against the wall and blew his brains out.
Hell of a way to go.
Doesn't really matter how you go once you're gone.
Don't get all deep on me, Phelps.
Ralph, there's something on the rooftop.
How the hell did you see that?
A reflection in the window. Looks like it might be our weapon. I'm gonna see if I can find a way up there.
All right, don't hurt yourself.
The gun's up on the roof, right? So we need to find a way up.
What kind of chumps do these homicide guys think we are?
How you doing, Cole? Found it yet? I don't even want to think about what that smell is. Probably dope needles around here as well.
Smith & Wesson, serial S71893. Two rounds fired, and instead of dropping it down a drain, our shooter hoists it up here. Interesting guy.
We should follow up on this now, before the perp tries to leave town.
We have the gun, Cole. Let's take it back to Central. We could get a commendation.
Could show some initiative, Ralph, and see if we can come up with an owner.
That's a long shot, Cole.
It's a pretty fancy gun. You know a local gun store?
Sure. There's a place a couple of blocks from here.
sure about this. It's not really our gig.
No harm in doing some digging. The suits didn't seem to give much of a damn.
Such a little Boy Scout, Cole. You can't wait to get out of that uniform, can you?
You'd rather round up drunks and help old ladies across the road?
I'd rather get through the day without the captain's foot up my ass.
It'll be fine, Ralph. You worry too much. Officers Phelps and Dunn. Can you tell us anything about this gun?
Smith & Wesson, Model 27, registered Magnum. Chambered for .357, nickel-plated with pearl grips. Same gun used by General Patton.
You're not suggesting he's the owner?
No, I'm not.
You seem to know a lot about the weapon.
I ought to. I sold it. You know, this piece will stop a rhino. These babies are only available special order. Here's my Smith & Wesson order book.
You mind if I take a look?
Be my guest. This is about something bad, right?
Model 27 with pearl grips, Cole. You see it on there?
We're in luck. Errol Schroeder, 203 South Glass Street. Ordered the gun in February '46. Thanks, you've been a big help.
Anytime. Always happy to help out the LAPD.
Do we call it in?
Let's see if he's at home. Owning the gun doesn't prove he pulled the trigger.
Okay. In for a penny, in for a pound. Lead the way, Gunga Din. so hard, was it? Just because we're in uniform doesn't mean we can't use our initiative.
I guess so. Seems a little too good to be true. One-of-a-kind murder weapon bought locally using a real name? If Schroeder's our shooter, he's no criminal mastermind.
Most of them aren't. That's why they get caught. 2 out of every 3 crimes are done on impulse.
Another fact from the Phelps Encyclopedia of Thin Air. You really are full of it.
Schroeder, apartment 2.
What do you guys want?
I'm Officer Cole Phelps. This is Officer Dunn, Wilshire Division. You're the owner of a Smith & Wesson Model 27, nickel-plated with pearl grips?
I might be. What of it?
Then you'll be surprised to know that Scooter Payton was murdered tonight with your gun.
You're out of your mind. Scooter? He works for me. I have that gun here in my drawer. What the fuck is going on here?
You're under arrest, Schroeder. Cuff him, Ralph.
No way. You're not taking me down for this. You ready, tough guy? Huh?
That was a very bad move, Schroeder. Ralph, you all right?
I'm fine. I hardly felt it.
Твою мать! Блядь! Критл, спасибо, что написал. Я просто, у меня братан на войне ранен был с его. Об этом разговаривали с братьями по WhatsApp, поэтому я отключил свой микрофон на всякий случай, чтобы других лишних звонков, звуков не было. Поэтому я подумал, что я включил, оказывается, нихуя не включил. Ладно, сорян. Спасибо, что написал. Спасибо. Ой, бля. Ёбаный стыд. А, кстати, игра теперь не запускать. Нихуя. Бля, что по новой, что ли? Я заебался игру уже второй раз по новой проходить, бля. Закрыть. Да, закрывай игру. Бля, если я по новому начну эту игру, я нахуй больше стримить эту игру не буду, блядь. Если ты игру сворачиваешь один раз, то начинай по-новому. Я сейчас моду для брутала дунгая качаю. Сделай вид, что я тебя понял. Не, братан, по сути, если ты знаешь, а то, бля, каждый раз нажимать на Alt-Enter. Нажми Alt-Enter, чтобы игра была на полном экране. То, бля, белый сверху, синий сзади, заебал. Хоть бы было продолжить, хоть бы было продолжить, пожалуйста. Я не хочу начинать заново, бля. Братан, я не знаю, что это. Что за продукт. Можно продолжить. Так, время сколько у меня? 0,9. Ну, по-моему, он. Бля, когда ты сразу полиция, блядь, заебал ждать их, бля. Куда вы едете? Я только с поступления выехали. Ну, хотя бы выехали. Квартира. Да, понятно. Сейчас драться буду. Вторая квартира, я знаю, я это видел.
What do you guys want?
I'm Officer Cole Phelps. This is Officer Dunn, Wilshire Division.
Братан.
You're the owner of a Smith & Wesson Model 27, nickel-plated with pearl grips?
I might be. What of it?
Then you'll be surprised to know that Scooter Payton was murdered tonight with your gun.
You're out of your mind. Scooter? He works for me. I have that gun here in my drawer.
Я, конечно, не куплен и не мормал, я играю.
What the fuck is going on here?
You're under arrest, Schroeder. Cuff him, Ralph.
No way. You're not taking me down for this.
Как лично я буду проходить, то, пожалуйста, когда нет.
You ready, tough guy?
А так, сразу говорю, что я люблю играть в Спартанда. Пропёр не работает, что ли? Ну я буду уже.
Ralph, you all right? I'm fine. I hardly felt it. He's lucky he caught me off guard.
Keep an eye on him, Ralph. I'm gonna take a look around.
Если подать на место преступления, другое место важно. Тщательно прочесывать место на предмет наличия улик. Ну, бля, мне сейф нужен, шкафчик. Кеп возьми. Не, меха... Отпечаток пальца желательно надо. Перейдем, если ты не понимаешь мой язык, скажи в чат, пожалуйста, да, а то я тогда на якутском языке. На родном. Пиво.
Doesn't look like anything.
Обычный хлам. А как вещи выглядят, то что я... Вот. Колокольчики. Ну-ка смотрим. Разобег 49657 Сомерс 11. Твою мать, я Клейтон 92246. Переведи страницу. А ебать.
List of names and a series of numbers. Floyd Rose's name is in this book.
Phelps, we can come out of this all bright and shiny with a commendation. Or stick our schlongs in a hornet's nest. Call it in, partner. And leave the book where you found it.
Но дай время почитать, пожалуйста, обычным людям, бля, а не... И, бля.
Я нихуя не понял. Имя Флода, так, какой номер?
You dumb fucking sons of bitches, get in this line now before I lose my temper.
Excuse me, Sergeant, but...
Excuse me? Fuck you! You say another word and I'll break your fucking head and have you in the brig.
Some of us are here for...
I know why you're here, asswipe.
I'm having a bad day, Private. Some people don't seem to want to get on this bus.
Didn't ask for your help.
He didn't ask for your help. Can you believe this guy? Who are you two? Abbott and Costello?
We're here for OCS, Sergeant.
So it's the three fucking stooges and you're here for OCS. God help this fucking country and the USMC. The Japanese will do the world a favor and kill you quickly. All three of you are on report. What are your fucking names?
Phelps.
Kelso.
Merrill.
Any other gentlemen for OCS? OCS is at Elliott. You take the Camp Elliott bus over there. This bus is for MCRD. This bus is for men who want to fight.
Головоломки там всякие. Ну, Noire, ну никак. LA Noire это игра для персонального компьютера, так как он из компании, из фирмы Rockstar Games.
You picked the right
Так
place,
же
Cole.
как
A city that needed an honest cop like a thirsty man needed water.
GTA.
You'd heard the stories, but you weren't interested. You were here to fight the good fight, solve cases, right wrongs. The force is like politics. There's no sitting on the fence. You have to choose sides.
RDR 2,
A brown
кстати.
paper envelope.
Кстати, если вы хотите
Greyhound
посмотреть
ticket to
прохождение
Louisville.
RDR 2, пожалуйста,
It only
я
ever ran.
стараюсь
All units
буду
to 211 in
проходить
progress and
много.
shots fired at Westlake Savings and Loan, 1415 West 3rd Street. Unit to handle identifying code 3.
Если вы хотите смотреть,
We'll take that.
как я прохожу
It's only a couple
RDR
blocks
2,
from
я
14 Adam calling KGPL. We'll handle the 211.
Roger that, 14 Adam. Be advised, suspects are armed and dangerous.
Roger, KGPL. 14 Adam en route.
Не понял нахуй юмор. Заговорился, так ничего не понял, не заметил, так где я и что я, кто я. Нихуя себе карта, где я вообще? Ну, Серёнь, где я? А, вот он. Нихуя карта большая, бля. Ладно. Первая улица. 1, 2. Доглон шоссе и направо.
Понял. Сейчас выпью за друга. Я себе тормоза, бля.
Make it quick, you guys. The cops are here. We gotta move it.
cover, Phelps.
You're
We don't know how many are in there. Take it slow. Backup will be with soon.
Как куда войти?
Find some cover.
That's it? We got them all? I think we got them, Cole. Should be all clear. Lieutenant Hopkins says anytime you reach for the shotguns, you're either going to end up dead or wearing a citation. So I guess...
It's okay, Ralph. You did well in there. I'm glad you had my back. Never ask for a better partner. This kind of opportunity comes along once in a lifetime, Hank. I have to grasp it.
You have to survive at first, Cole. Here are the veterans. The Japs love to shoot officers.
If I can make a name for myself in this war, my future...
Thinking of taking on a company of the Emperor's finest single-handed? You don't seem the Sergeant York type to me.
When I need your opinion, Kelso, I'll ask for it.
They talk about officers like you in boot camp, Cole. They call it the Custer syndrome. Guys who go around dreaming of fame and glory and getting all of their men killed in the process.
Our duty is to lead, Kelso.
And their duty is to die.
Пропусти, заебал. Эта игра не для меня, но...
Cole Phelps and Jack Kelso. With some people, it's as simple as chemistry. Two guys who should have been friends, but their personalities got in the way. Phelps, a good guy, wound way too tight. And Kelso, quiet man who would never walk away from a fight.
Well, it's a shame you don't like to talk about it, Cole.
Ralph, friends who want to stay friends don't discuss religion or politics. In my case, you can add the war to that.
I know that bum. Wendell Bowers. I put him away before he jumped parole. Get after him, Phelps. I'll head him off in the car.
Wendell Bowers! Stop! LSPD! Why, you watch it! He's hiding in the alley! Bowers! Hold it right there! Stop now or I will shoot!
I won't tell you again, Wendell.
Jesus, Dunn! Watch your fire!
Don't want to do this, Wendell. Get down from there right now!
Give it up, Wendell!
Stay the hell away from me!
You gotta be kidding!
You fucking asked for it! No way I'm going back inside! I've done my time!
It's over, Bowers!
You assholes already screwed me once!
Give it up, Bowers! There's nowhere left to go!
Looks like we've got the place to ourselves. Come on then, pretty boy.
Give it up, Wendell!
How you doing, Wendell? Your parole officer's feeling lonely. He's got a hole in his life for an asshole like you. You can make it up to him in 10 years' time. Watch your head. This hump will be back in the Iron Hotel by tomorrow night. Nice work, Cole. You run track in high school?
Да, вообще похуй, кто ты, бля. Исчезни, нахуй.
Part of the tradition of the Marine Corps and being an officer in the Marine Corps is the ability to make tough decisions. The right decision is not always the popular one. the right decision will get the men you care about killed. These ratings and your ability to give them frankly and truthfully directly affect your chances of successfully becoming a Marine officer. Candidate Phelps, you...
Знаешь, что я сделал? Я ютубер канала Патрон 3.0, да, сюда халява это поля. Назначить, закрепить сообщение, нет, удалить. Запросто. Не, ребята, ладно, я больше, ну, не больше, сегодня вообще стримить не буду, хватит. А так, сохраняшка земли. Игра, да, того стоит, да, базара нет. Заинтригована, там ситуации, мотивы всякие будут, это. Но не для меня сейчас, так как я сам жду в реальном случае полицию. Я их вызвал, но они нихуя уже... Сколько прошло-то, блядь? Нихуя не приехали, я их жду до сих пор, поэтому... Я лучше эти стороны полиции играть не буду. Я буду играть что? Давайте посмотрим. Assassin's Creed. Да, почему нет? Бесшумно убивать буду. Но это же